guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create a good gaming thumbnail on Canva. So I'm just going to use this one. Obviously you're going to use your own image here, and then here you're going to type in a really good like gaming title. For instance, I wheel picks what I wear, and then like dress to impress or something like that. Just make it like as bold as you can. And for the background, I'm actually just gonna have it like the game picture. So let me just find one in this one. Okay, I'll just use, I think that's a video, but oh, never mind, it's a screenshot. And then have it as like your background here, and like maybe change the color and stuff like that, and like add in the logo itself. But that's pretty much it, really super simple. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.